is gonna hurt you. Really, really bad.
Plans. They always have their plans. But the problem with their plan is that when you take an insane person to the asylum, you're just taking him home. The very place he knows best. You are my destiny. When you hold my hand, I understand the magic that you do. You're my dream come true, my one and only you. Only you.
Serious. He comes at me with the knife. Why so serious? He sticks the blade in my mouth. Let's put a smile on that face. And... why so serious? Did. If you're good at something, never do it for free.